Alright folks, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sansi. Let me turn this around so we can take a gander at this. The 70 watt RGB floodlight, super bright security light. So they asked me if I wanted to test this bad boy out. I'm not going to say no. I'm actually going to say yes. I was actually looking at this not too long ago. Wondering how it would look on the outside of a house. I'm at my girlfriend's house right now, so thought I'd check this out. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. I got my extension cord right there, so we can go ahead and plug it in. So when we open it up, we've got, the Sansi instruction book. Everything that you need to know about your light, functions and everything. And oh look, it's got a remote in it. There it is right there. Functions of the remote and all that good stuff. So there it is. Different languages in case you speak English. Looks like German. And then Chinese in there. So you also get this from Sansi, their little congratulatory thing. There we go. And then the light itself. So let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Oh, not too thick. There's the cord. There's my cup of coffee right there because it's morning. There is almost like a mounting screw. I would assume that there is on here. Yeah. Oh, there it is right there. And a hole right in the center is for that. And then the remote. And it feels like I need to put batteries in the remote, but there is the remote. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick so I can plug in the light, put some batteries in here. I'm assuming AAA batteries. And see what the light looks like. And mind you, it is morning. It's not too bright in here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick and get everything situated so I can do that. So I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Got the batteries in here. Got that plugged in. Still drinking my coffee. All this over. So again, I want to look directly into this. So let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Because you got your on and off button. White, red, green, blue. Strobe, flash, fade, smooth. I'm assuming this is memory 1, memory 2, 3, and 4. Up, down, left, right. Looks like there's a OK button right there. And then you got your different colors down here. Orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cayenne. So let's go ahead and turn this on real quick. Jesus H. Christ. Have to move back, so let's turn this off real quick so you can see. Okay, so there's that. Put them on. Pretty sure there's an intensity on this too. Yep, there is. Okay, so that's the lowest intensity. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Fifth being the highest. Well, there it is right there. So that's white. Okay, so let's go red. Changing the intensities on this, so that's why it's changing. So not bad. Green. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell it's green. Intensities. Oh my. There we go. Now let's go blue. Again, intensities, changes the intensities. Boom. I'm gonna go back to white and try the strobe. Oh, you can change the intensity with the left and right with on the strobe option, so that's the slowest, I believe. In the left goes faster, and that is the fastest. I expected a strobe would be a little bit faster than that. Being a former DJ, I've had strobe lights, and they definitely go a lot faster than that. They pulsate a lot faster than that. The frequency is a lot faster, so in terms of strobe option, I think they probably could have went a little faster than that. But there's that. Let's do the flash, see what's the difference. Oh, okay, so you're changing the colors in the flash. Let me go all the way to the slowest option. There it is. Boom. Changes different. A little faster. Let's go a little faster. 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 If the strobe could be like this, maybe even faster, then yeah, it'd be better. Let's go back to strobe real quick. Yeah, see, strobe could be faster than that. It should be changing as fast as the flash does. So the flash technically should be strobe. It's just doing all the different colors. Now let's do fade. Let's go slow. It just fades into a different color. A little faster. Let's call the fastest setting. To me, the fade is just like the strobe. I wonder what smooth is. Let me go to slowest. Let's go to smooth. Smooth operator. Let's go faster. Let's go fastest. Okay, that's smooth. I just wanted to flash on that one. There is smooth. Oh wow. So I just hit the center button and it stopped. Let's go back to smooth. Let's stop it. Bam. Stop. Okay, cool. Let's go to red real quick. Okay. Let's go back to smooth. No, red. I think blue. I think hitting this one resets back to the white. Yep, it does. In the center. Boom. I don't know what memory one does. Two. Three. Changes in brightness. Or not. Oh, that definitely changing this frequency, the speed. Slower. There we go. And that's yellow. Yellow. You can't really tell. It looks kind of white. Let's go to the first one. Cool. Now we go back to the main one. Let's see the different colors. Orange. Make it brighter. Orange. I'm gonna go coral. Gold. Gold kind of looks white. Purple. Pink. Pink, alright. Yellow. Orchid. Purple, orchid. Purple, orchid. Navy. Maybe just a little blue. Indigo. Ooh. Lime. Aqua. Aqua looks white too. That's probably the color of the walls. Throwing it off. And then it's got a little greenish cayenne. Oh look, that one works. So it is rather bright. So any water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to later on wait till it's nighttime and then go on the outside of the house, because I believe these are more for the outside of the house. And yeah, there it is. There's a light. Let me go ahead and go back to white. There it is. I'm gonna try to get in front of it. I don't want to look directly at it, but yeah, that's the light. It does cast a good amount of light. I actually like these things. Turn it off. They look well made. That's ceramic on the side. You can definitely tell that's ceramic. I'm touching it, feeling the ceramic on it. Great for heat dissipation. There's an LED right there. You can actually see there's a yellow and a orange or red, white. There's Sansi. And I had it on for a good 10 minutes and I don't feel heat. I don't feel them hot or anything. They're not hot to the touch. So that's good. Let's look at the information that they have on the back of it. So there's the information right there. Input voltage. AC 100 to 240 volts. 50 to 60 hertz. 70 watt. IP66. Which means I can have it outside and it can get wet and it'll be fine. I'm actually excited about that. So we can have it outside, and if it rains and it's on, it'll still be okay. I like that. It doesn't look like water can get in there. But yeah, there it is. Here's my initial impression of it. I mean, I like it. Pretty cool. I wish I had more of them. I'll probably have to buy a good amount more for what I'm envisioning on the outside of the house. But it looks good. There's our have to tighten them if we ever need to. And again, there's we need to mount them on something. There it is right there. Got the hole right there. We do have, you know, the hardware for it. The one part that goes right there, so if we ever need to put it on something right in the middle, that'll anchor it down. It looks like this is this is definitely an anchor, because you're going to tighten it down and that's going to get wider. It's going to crush basically and come down and it's prevent it from coming out. So looks like there's only one in front of me. Let me make sure that there's not another one. Yeah, there's definitely not another one. Yep, definitely not another one. But this definitely keeps it nice and safe while it's in transit. So there's that. Alright, when you next come back, actually it'll probably flow seamlessly. I'm gonna have to mash the two videos together, but we have the video of the outside with this on the outside of the house. So we'll check that out. Stay tuned.
Alrighty, so it's getting dark outside, so I thought I'd bring it out. The Sansi 70-watt floodlight, the RGB floodlight. I'm going to test it right here. So we got a flag outside, and let me go ahead and turn this beast on. Oh, there we go. There it is. So it's giving out a good amount of light. So look at the house. Let me go back a little bit. There it is right there. So we turn it off. You can see without the light. All right. With the light, that's a good amount of light being casted. Let's try the strobe outside. All right. That's pretty cool. That's the which one is that one? The flash? Let's do the fade. And then which one's the last one? Can't really tell. Oh, smooth. Okay. And of course we can change it, make it slower. Make it brighter, dimmer. That's a good thing about this. Make it dimmer, brighter. That's the brightest setting right there. Bring it down a little bit. Right there. That would be good. See, this is outside. Outside. It's a good amount of cast. And we do have all these other colors to play with. So try the orange. Orange. Doing the memory funk or the mode, flash mode with a different color. Make it faster though. Yellow, blue, that one's orange, I think. I'll go back to white. There it is. So, good amount of light. Like I said, if I need to tone it down a bit, there it is right there. Let me aim this at the house. So if I want to light up the house, there it is right there. Let's get a little bit dimmer. There it is right there. A little brighter. Boom. Let's move back. Very nice. Let's say I needed to work on my Jeep. Turn it around. Boom. There. Now I got light on the Jeep. Again, if I need to make it dimmer. There it is right there. Boom. Let's cast a little bit of of red, green Jeep, blue. Let's make it flash green. Dope. I need to slow it down. Make it faster. There it is. Pretty nice. Go back white. Boom. Boom. So far, I mean, hey, really good. They actually have a wider one. I'm actually curious on how that one's gonna be as opposed to this one. They got smaller ones too. All in all, Sansi did a stellar job with this. My next project, see that light up there? Let's zoom in. That light up there is going to be replaced by a Sansi motion one. They have multiple different types, so I'm going to do that. So Sansi, the 70-watt LED RGB floodlight. Stellar. So, my opinion on this thing, oh, now you can't see me. My opinion on this thing is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And like I said, we can dim it down if you don't like it that bright. There it is right there. Good amount of light. Good amount of light. I'd probably be right there. Excellent. Anyways, folks, the Sansi 70-watt RGB floodlight sold on Amazon by Sansi, S-A-N-S-I. Saw the box. Check it out. Form your own opinion. But in my opinion, this thing's pretty good. In fact, it's great. Like I said, the only objection I have is the strobe function. It should be a little faster. But hey, I don't really need it to be an actual strobe. Well, there we go. Sansi, Amazon, get it.